Hello everyone, myself Amit Patel. Welcome to my YouTube channel Technology with Amit.
So in this video, we are focusing on Titanic dataset with the help of Pandas library. In the previous video, we are reading there are three types of files: TXT file, Excel file, and XLS file. So in this video, we are start with Titanic dataset. So let's open the our folder, YouTube folder. So open data folder, and this data folder we have Titanic dataset.csv. So next we are creating our new IP file with the name Titanic. So change the name Titanic. In this, we are importing our library Pandas SPD. So our library is imported, and then we are our reading our data in the df variable. So df equal to read underscore csv, and our file name is Titanic underscore data sync dot csv. We are confirm this file name is correct. Okay, this is correct. And just sorry, read underscore is sorry, we are not define our PD. So our data is read in this variable. So this is our data: passenger ID, survived, passenger class, name, gender, age, and all. So we are defined it with the head variable. So our five values is there, and then we are find the type of this data. So we know this is the type of data is data frame. So pandas core frame is data frame. Okay, and we are finding the variable data types. So df dot d types is the function to find the variable. Right. So our passenger ID is int type, and the survived is int type, and then we are finding the describe function. So describe function is basically find the values of count. So d dot describe. So this is our output of describe function. There are some variables are input integer type. Passenger ID is integer type. Only in integer type variables are so in the describe function, so basically count is counted the rows of the all variables. So you can see in the age variable we have some null values. So with the help of df dot is null function, we find some null values. So you can see in the age variable. So in this true is null value. Okay. So we are finding some of these all. There are 177 value is null in the age variable, and cabin variable is 687. Okay, and mean value is showing the mean average of the all variables. So 29 is percent of age variable persons are age of 29. Sorry, average person's age is 29. Okay, the standard deviation is this, and minimum value is 42 because all some are children's 4 month children's. Okay, 25% is data is exist in 20 age, and 50% data is exist in 28 age, and the 75 is 38. So high age each person is writing. So maximum value is 80. Okay, so then we are applying this describe function on object type function variables. Okay, so df2 equal to, first we are finding all the columns. Okay, this is our columns. Okay, and then we are finding the object type columns. So df dot d types is string, df dot d types is equal to object. We will give you the variables name is name, gender, ticket, cabin, and these all are object type. If we also we already seen name is all object type, like character values is stored in this variable, and then we are applying the describe function in this. So name. df2 is equal to df list, and then we are name variable is our object type, and the sex variable is object type. So copy this, paste it, and our ticket variable and the cabin variable is also object type. So copy this and paste here. Just we are right this ticket and cabin, and then the last one is inbound. Okay. So our df2 variable is stored the object type values, and then we are applying the describe function in df2. So copy this and ds. Okay. Oh, sorry, the typing mistake. So this will give you only the time count value, unique value, top, and frequency. So count is basically showing the counts of all these values. So Kevin is 204 because some values are null. So Kevin is 687 values are null, and we are showing two types of unique values in the variable of sex, the male and female, and embarked is three types. So you can see S, C, and third one is Q. So there are three types of values in embarked, and also we are showing top. The top is S in the embarked, and name is brown MR equals to something, and male is some on the top. So these are values, and the we are or we are with the help of pandas, we are also defining some new variable in the data. So df column, new column, they just create a new variable with zero value. Okay. Some errors in this. We are okay. The syntax errors in this, just we are creating the new variable name is new column, and we show this. Okay, the new column is added with the name of new column, and the values is 000. Then we are finding the values is age variable is greater than 18. Okay, df just paste this, age is greater than 18. Okay, the values is this, and this. We are showing the all data. So with the help of list df and age is equal to, sorry, is greater than 18. So these are the values of greater than 18 age, and just we are say greater than 50. So the data is greater than 15 age is 64 only. So 54, 58 and all. And then we are creating the new variable with the sum of age and passenger class. Okay. So for this, we are just defining the new variable name is new column, new underscore column 2, and then is equal to df with we are some age and the p class. Okay, so the age class df p class. Then so this data, the new column is added, and the sum of age and p class. So the our age is 22 and the p class is 2, and I mean our value is 25. So in the next video, we are further work on this with some amazing concepts.